Imagine the sun, that brilliant golden star at the center of our solar system, the one that gives us warmth, light, and life itself, suddenly turning against us. What if one day the sun exploded? What would really happen to Earth? And to us? First, let's clear up a myth. The sun is not about to blow up like a giant firework. In fact, when stars like our sun die, they don't usually go supernova. Instead, they expand into red giants, then collapse into white dwarfs, slowly cooling for billions of years. But let's imagine for a moment, if our sun suddenly did explode tomorrow. You might expect to see the most spectacular light show in the universe, but the truth is, you probably wouldn't see much at all. Even though the sun feels so close, it's still 150 million kilometers away. And in supernova terms, that's far too close for comfort. For a planet to be safe from a supernova, it would need to be at least 50 to 100 light years away. We're nowhere near that safe zone. So what would happen? Within just 8 minutes of the explosion, the time it takes for sunlight to reach Earth, the side of the planet facing the sun will be obliterated instantly. Oceans would boil, land would vaporize. The other half of the Earth would survive the blast for a moment. But temperatures would rise to levels 15 times hotter than the sun's surface today. And without the sun's gravity holding us in place, Earth would drift off into space, a frozen, dying world. Could we survive? Maybe, for a little while. If humanity had advance warning, we could build massive underground shelters. Just a few meters below the surface, Earth's crust holds a steady temperature of around 17 degrees Celsius, about 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Civilization could retreat underground, powered by geothermal energy, creating vast networks of bunkers. But it would be a race against time. Within 1 week of the sun's explosion, Earth's surface would drop below freezing. Within a year, it would fall to minus 73 degrees Celsius, or minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans would freeze from the top down, eventually locking into solid ice. And within 1,000 years, Earth's atmosphere itself would collapse, leaving the planet exposed to cosmic radiation and meteor impacts. By then, if humanity hadn't escaped to a new home, it would all be over. But here's the good news. The sun will not explode tomorrow. When it does die, billions of years from now, it will be a much slower process. It will swell into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus, and perhaps even Earth. Then, it will shed its outer layers, seeding the galaxy with the building blocks for new stars and planets. In a way, the death of our sun will give birth to new life elsewhere in the cosmos. Imagine another Earth forming, circling a brand new star, with new beings looking up at their skies, wondering about their own sun. And if, by some miracle, humanity still exists billions of years from now, maybe our descendants will be living among the stars, watching history repeat itself. So tell me, if you had the chance to witness the death of our sun from a safe distance, would you want to see it? Or would you rather look away, knowing it means the end of everything we call home? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to X Imagine for more mind-bending journeys into the impossible.